Good morning. I'm sorry for my appearance. I haven't really got ready yet today, but my baby is sleeping, as you can see on the baby monitor. So I figured I would open up this Munchkin Arm & Hammer 3-in-1 potty seat, also called a petite pot, if you're so inclined to speak the French or whatever on there. So let's open her up. Cut her open. Ooh. So not very much packing in here. Packaging. Have a little instruction manual. So let's set her up real quick. Insert deodorizing disc. So maybe they're in here. Okay. So have a little deodorizing disc. Just take the plastic wrap off there, I guess. Ugh. I think it just snaps in there. Did I put it in wrong? I guess it's, oh, there we go. Okay, deodorizing disc in, and install the wipes. Oh, this is kind of nice. It comes in this plastic packaging. So I just have to open this part. I like to fold them down in case I want to reattach them, instead of taking that off completely. Okay, so I think they just slide down in here. This thing goes back on. So when they're on the pot, they can take out a wipe. And then this part can also go on the toilet, from what I have heard, once they're ready for the big potty chair. So there you go. The Arm & Hammer Munchkin toilet seat. So there you go.